Login failed on Step Bank app fix. You try logging into the Step app to check your balance or manage your card, but instead of getting in, you're hit with a login failed message. Don't worry, most users face this at some point, and the fix is usually simple. Let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Step uses encrypted verification for security, and a weak signal can interrupt the lock-in process. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or reconnecting to a stronger network. Next, make sure your Step app is updated. Head to your App Store and look for any available updates. An outdated app can't sync properly with Step security servers, which can trigger login errors. If you're certain your credentials are correct, test them by logging in at Step.com using a browser. If it fails there too, reset your password by tapping Forgot Password and following the email link provided. If your password works online, but not in the app, try clearing your app cache or reinstalling the app completely. This clears out corrupted login data that might be blocking your session. Another common issue is using a Wi-Fi VPN. Step system can flag VPNs or mask tips as suspicious, preventing access. Turn off any FINRA location, masking software before signing in. Finally, check if Step servers are undergoing maintenance. A temporary outage can affect login access, but it's usually resolved quickly. So next time your Step Bank login fails, don't panic. Update the app, refresh your network, and verify your credentials. With these quick fixes, you'll be back to managing your teen card, budgeting tools, and savings goals in no time.